Shabab, O youth, do not be deceived by your youthfulness. For how many people have died before you and they were young? O strong one, healthy one, do not be deceived by your health and by your strength. For how many a strong and healthy person has fallen and died? So brothers and sisters, wake up to the reality of death. Wake up to that reality. And the reality of the fact that you are not immortal, you will not live forever in this world. Death will find you out, and you will not be able to resist your appointment with death. You cannot put it off. There is no fortress that you can hide behind, except that death will find you out. There is no tall tree that you can climb, no high mountain that you can ascend, except that death will come to you. Did death not take your parents and their parents and their parents and your forefathers? Are not the graveyards filled with people, some of whom thought that they could defy death, some of them who thought that they could live for a day longer or 2 days longer or a month longer? How many women have become widows? And how many children have been orphaned? This is the reality of death. Allah's Messenger sallallahu alayhi wa sallam commanded us, أكثروا ذكر هذه اللذات يعني الموت. The hadith in Tirmidhi, and it is sahih. Increase in the remembrance of the destroyer of pleasures, meaning death. Increase in that remembrance. Something will come to you and it will destroy those pleasures that you tasted in this world. And that is death. That's why the Prophet ﷺ said, as he was dying, La ilaha illallah. Indeed, death has its agonies. Death is painful. It has its agonies. And look what he said, La ilaha illallah. There is none that has the right to be worshipped except Allah. And that's why the Prophet ﷺ would say, prompt your dying ones with the kalima La ilaha illallah. Call them to say La ilaha illallah as they're dying. This is the reality, my brothers and sisters.